Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel where you'll be learning great chemistry knowledge. Alright, today we have been told to calculate the molar mass of 1. Glucose with the chemical formula C6H12O6, right? 2. Sulfuric acid with the chemical formula H2SO4. Alright, so before we proceed, what is molar mass? Right? Molar mass is equal to mass of 1 mole of a substance. Okay, mass of 1 mole of a substance is your molar mass. So how are we going to calculate molar mass of a substance? Now this is the chemical formula of one of the question given to us. C6H12O6. This is glucose, right? To calculate the molar mass of glucose, these are the things that we need to consider. All right, so we're going to consider individual atoms that are comprised of glucose. The first thing is that we have 6 atoms of carbon in there, 12 atoms of hydrogen, and 6 atoms of oxygen. So to calculate the molar mass, which is 1 mole, but the mass of 1 mole of a substance, we need to consider the mass of 1 mole of every atoms that are found there. Okay, now molar mass of glucose will now be 6 multiplied by, that's the number of the atoms, multiplied by the mass of 1 mole of what? 1 mole of carbon, C, plus 12 multiplied by mass of 1 mole of hydrogen, which we call H, plus 6 again multiplied by mass of 1 mole of oxygen atom, which is O. Okay, this will now be what? 6 multiplied by the mass of 1 mole of carbon atom, which is the atomic mass of carbon, is 12. Okay, we have 12 here, so plus, open bracket here, 12 multiplied by the mass of 1 mole of hydrogen atom is 1. Plug in here, right? Plus, open another bracket, 6 multiplied by the mass of 1 mole of oxygen atom is 16. Put it here. Okay, are we progressing? All right, let's move on. Now 6 times what? 6 times 12 will give you what? You can see 12, 6 by 6. So 6 times 2 will be what? Will be 12. We put down 2, 1 here. 6 times 1, that's 6, plus 1, that's 7. So everything here is 72, plus 12 times 1 will give you 12, plus 6 times 16. Okay, can change this to what? To 16. Alright, 6 times 6 is what? Is 36. We put down what? You put down 6. Remain 3, right? So you take this 3 and add it to what? To the next place value. 6 times 1 will be 6, and 6 plus 3 will be 9. So that means everything here is 96. So if you add everything up, sum it up, you're gonna get 180 gram, right? As the unit of the mass that we are dealing with. But is it just only 180 gram? According to the definition of what? Of molar mass, mass of 1 mole of a substance. That means if this is what? 180 gram belongs to 1 mole of what? 1 mole of glucose. So we have to indicate it that it is what? It is 180 gram per mole, which means this 180 gram of glucose is the mass of 1 mole of glucose. Is that not simple? That's very simple. So if you like this, please kindly hit the like button and try to share this out, because it might really benefit some people out there. All right, so another thing is that the second one, I would like you to take your time to calculate the molar mass of this sulfuric acid. This is already what the formula for sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Just follow this simple method to calculate that, and let me know your answer in the comment section. That's how we learn. Hope you are learning great things. Let's move on. Bye bye.